How you doing, guys? My name is Sam, and today we're gonna discuss 3 points where your property can be worth it more than $50,000 in value. Okay, so these 3 points, these three items that you're gonna put into your property is gonna add the value, not only the improvement of your property, but the value of your property. Uh, uh, my name is Sam. I'm a general contractor, and at the same time, I'm a real estate commercial broker. So I'm giving you these tips so when you're starting to think about improving your property, not only you can improve your property, but you can add value to your property. One of the points, the main points of the value of your property is a kitchen. It doesn't have to be a new kitchen. You can improve your kitchen, or you can put a new kitchen, and it's gonna add value between $25,000 and $35,000 added value of your property. The second point is the restrooms. If you start fixing your restrooms, it's gonna give you between $15,000 and $25,000 off the value of your property. The third, which is very important, is the curb appeal of your property. Let me tell you again, the curb appeal of your property. What's the curb appeal? It's the entrance of your property. You come into your property and the outside. You're talking about the main door, whatever is around the surrounding areas, the grass, the curb appeal of your property that's gonna add between $20,000 and $30,000 off the value of your property. So that's minimum on those three things. That's minimum $50,000 that's gonna be added to the value of your property. Please give us a call to the office. Let us know how we can help you. Let's join together. Let's communicate each other. You can hit us at AZH Builders on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. You can always call the office, or you can find us at azhbuilders.com. Thank you, guys. Bye now.